So we call this our Purdue hive because the original queen came from the University of Purdue. And looks like a lot going on here because we were just in this hive. They're pulling in a lot of pollen, just like everybody is today. What I want you to see, and I think you can see, is that haze of bees sort of floating around the outside but not going in, but not going away. Those are what we call orienting flights. Those are new bees getting ready to go out into the big wide world to go foraging for honey, for nectar and for pollen. And first they have to figure out where home is relative to the rest of the planet. So they'll do this sort of like buzzing around in front of the hive, which looks like they're not really doing anything, but what they're kind of programming is their internal GPS. And they'll do these kind of flights gradually farther and farther out until they're ready to go exploring, looking for resources. Anyway, looks like they're gonna have a busy day here.